king of crash, Ralph Rooster. Sponsored by Psycho Recycling, Rain Gel, Beer by Kia. Beer by Kia. Dirt Dealers, We Dig It, Outlaw Eat Factory, car number 90E, Jeffrey Hutt. Sponsored by Louie, car number 73, Darren Rooster. Sponsors, Box Shed Auto Parts, John Houston Concrete Construction. Adamar Concrete and Excavation, car number 86, Chris Ansel. Sponsored by Ken Riendo, Excavating, Upper Left Films, in memory of PK, car number 8E, Andy Riendo. Sponsored by Seven Cedars Casino, Sports Fit Training Center, AM Systems, Denmark, Aurelie Relaski, Black Diamond Electric, A to Z Fencing, car number 2, Jordan Justice. Like the number 2 car, Jordan Justice, was black flag for some reason. I didn't see what was happening because I wasn't watching. Because I was eating pizza, but something happened. And so we'll see what happens. So number 2 car has been disqualified because of the black flag. We'll get the green flag back out. Everybody's still running. They'll fire them back over. Alright, green flag is out again, but I don't hear a lot of noise coming out of that track right now. What it is? Okay. Unfortunately, when you shut these big engines off after they've been overheated, they have a little problem firing back over again. Looks like like Ralph Sandler Park getting his fired over. The main car is over 100. I was going to thank you for hitting that door panel. Ralph Hutt's car is getting so small, he'll be able to run in the mini division next week. He should have stopped there. It's like a couple of lions stalking each other. Now, here Ralph and here it comes. What do you say to that? 7 players scores a call number 90, Jeffrey Hutt. And your winner, surprise, 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 car number 3, Ralph Hutt. There it is, folks. I guarantee you. Out at the track, that man was well loved. He was always ready to help anybody.